Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x power 2 minus 7 times x minus 1. This is equals to 0. And here we will find out the value of this expression, that is a power 21 plus b power 21 plus a power 17 plus b power 17 divided by a power 19 plus b power 19. Here a and b are roots of this quadratic equation. Now look carefully this expression. Here power is 21 and here power is 17. Difference of the power is 4. So we have a quadratic equation x square minus 7 times x minus 1. This is equals to 0. First, if you rewrite this expression, then a power 21 plus a power 70 plus b power 21 plus b power 17 divided by a power 19 plus b power 19. Now here a power 21 plus a power 17. If we take common a power 17, then a power 21 is divided by a power 17, then we get a power 4 plus, and a power 17 is divided by a power 17, then we get plus 1. And here if we take common b power 17, then b power 21 divided by b power 17, then b power 4 plus b power 17 divided by b power 17, then we get 1, and divide by a power 19 plus b power 19. Now we know that it is given a and b are roots of this quadratic equation. If a and b are roots of this quadratic equation, then a is satisfied this equation, then a square minus 7 times a minus 1, this is equals to 0. Now look carefully here, a power 4. So here a square minus 1, this is equals to 7 times a. And if we take square both sides, then in left hand side we will apply a minus b whole square. And we know that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. Then a square bracket power 2 minus 2 times a square and times 1 plus 1 square, and this is equals to 7 times a square, that is 49 a square. Here a power 2 bracket power 2, that is a power 4 minus 2 times a square plus 1, and this is equals to 49 a square. And if this minus 2 times a square, if we take in right hand side, then this is plus 2 times a square, and here 49 times a square, then 49 times a square plus 2 times a square is 51 a square, and in left hand side a power 4 plus 1. Here a power 4 plus 1, this is equals to 51 a square. Similarly, b is also roots of this quadratic equation. Then b is also satisfied this quadratic equation. Then if you will rewrite again similar steps, then you will get b power 4 plus 1, this is equals to 51 a, then here 51 b square, 51 b square. Now a power 4 plus 1 is replaced by 51 a square, and b power 4 plus 1 is replaced by 51 b square. Then a power 17 times a power 4 plus 1 is replaced by 51 a square, 51 a square plus b power 17 and b power 4 plus 1 is replaced by 51b square. Then here 51b square and divide by a power 19 plus b power 19. If a power 17 is multiplied by a power 2, then we get 51 a power 19 plus and here 51 b power 19 and divide by a power 19 plus b power 19. In numerator, if we take common 51, then a power 19 plus b power 19 and divide by a power 19 plus b power 19. Now this and this is cancelled out, then value is 51. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and thank you.